how to send query parameter in HTTP request in your n8n workflow. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this quick and short tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a query parameter in the HTTP request. So as you can see, I have the sample workflow right here with the HTTP request right here in the middle. So in this node, we will attempt to add query parameter. So for that, simply double click onto the node on which you want to send the query parameters. And from here, you will see this option of send query parameters. Simply click onto this, and from here you can simply specify the query parameter either using the fields below or using a JSON format. If you click onto the fields below, you can simply type in the name and the value, and those particular query parameters will be successfully added when you click onto this add query parameter option. So yes, that's how easily you can add query parameters in your HTTP request in n8n. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.